Hello, today we are going to start a series solving HackerRank coding challenges. We are going to be doing today the counting values problem on the warm-up challenges for the interview preparation kit. So the problem is the following. We have a hiker and he counts his steps. And we have that when he goes uphill, he counts as U, and when he goes downhill, he counts as a D. And each step that he takes, up or down, changes in the value of 1. So if he goes up, he goes +1. If he goes down, he goes -1. And here we have some terms for clarifying. The mountain is a sequence of consecutive steps above the sea level, starting with a setup from the sea level and ending with a step down to the sea level. A valley is a sequence of consecutive steps below sea level, starting with a step down from sea level and ending with a step up to sea level. So what we want is to find the number of valleys. So we need to focus on these terms right here. Here we have some examples for helping, and I would say we take this. As you can see, he goes up and down, and now he's in the sea level, and then he goes down twice. He comes back up once, come back down once, and then he goes back up twice, and he gets to the sea level. So for this problem, we want to have a sentinel value and also a variable for recording, like where are you in relation to the sea level. So the sea level regularly is at 0, and so we set the value to 0 because if you go up, you go up 1 unit, and if you go down, you go down 1 unit. Okay, and we are going to have also a variable for counting the number of valleys that we're gonna encounter in our path. So what we want for solving this problem is to go through the array that we have of characters and count and compute the sea level, and to compute the sea level throughout the string. And then when we get to the end, that we should be on the supposedly we should be on the sea level again. We're gonna return the number of valleys that we went through. So let's go create an algorithm for going through these steps. In the path, and now we want to compute if he's going up or down. So we go if this step is equal to the character D, the sea level is equal sea level -1. And else if this step is equal to U, we are going to go up 1 unit. But also we need to count that if this could count as a mountain which is coming down to the sea level, and we don't want that because we only want to count the valleys. So let's say that someone who doesn't pay attention to that would put the algorithm like this, that once he gets to the 0 throughout the for loop, he would add to the value of the values. So he would count as that he counter and finish going over a valley, and that will be it. But as we can see, we are outputting a extra value because we are counting this area right here when he returns to the sea level, but he just went from over a mountain, not a valley. So the way to fix this is to also add another condition here, which is if the step that he just took is going up, so he's coming out of the valley, then count 1. And as you can see, we are going to get all cases correctly. Okay. That's it for today. This is our first video of the series of solving coding challenges from HackerRank. Have a good day.